Hey y'all, don't mind the look this morning. I'm doing a conditioning treatment in my hair and I don't have on makeup, you know, the whole thing. It's the morning. But I wanted to show y'all these toys because they're really cute. So, this is a mouth. This is the tongue. It's got that crinkle paper. And then it has like the little rug with the things. So you can hide the treats in here. And you can put treats in these spots here. And you shove the teeth, and they're squeaky, in to hide the treats. So then anyway, you see the gist of it. It'll have all the teeth in it. And the treats will be under it. So it gives the dog like a tiny bit of a challenge. I have a feeling that my Aussies are, this is not gonna be a challenge. But we'll see. Finding puzzles for them that is actually like difficult for them is hard because they're really smart dogs. But we'll see. If nothing else, they'll have fun, right? So you put all the teeth in, put all the treats. And then there's this one. Oh, this is the company, by the way. And I'll put the link in the description, but this. What's this say? Well, it says the mop fabric also helps clean their teeth. That's cool. Because we know their teeth be getting funky. They got some stanky breath. Okay, so tug, teeth cleaning, IQ training, and chew. So this one is, what is it? I don't know. This is a creature. Is it one of them little, like the lantern things in the deep ocean? That might be what these are. And the neon light. Anyway, that's besides the point. But squeak. It rolls into the Velcro. So you can secure it. So this is a puzzle. This is the fabric that they were mentioning in the little brochure thingy that helps clean their teeth. So they'll have to unroll it. Can you see it? And this is the other side. So this is the sensory material in the teeth cleaning, and on this side you put treats. You hide the treats. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this one goes that way. It's 5. So you put all the treats in, and then you roll it back up and Velcro. So they have to work on that. It's a little challenge for their brains. I think they're gonna like it. And I know they love to play tug with us and with each other. And then there's this. This, I actually have one of these, but I don't have the one covered in fabric like this. When you roll it, it makes noise. So when they're rolling it back and forth, it's supposed to make it more interesting. Now, I thought this would come off so that you can clean it, but I'm not seeing anywhere where you can take it apart. because I know it's gonna need clean. This is the Giggle Gaggle Wiggle Ball. I have another one, I'll show you. It's dirty, but I mean, this one gets dirty and you have to clean it, so we'll see about this. But this is what's inside of here. I'm just gonna use some dog food. Okay, so this one is full of treats and ready for them. And let's do this one. You just kind of gotta pull the little hole with your finger and shove the teeth down in there as far as you can. This one's not, but here you go. It's a mouth. Okay, I'm gonna go put these down. Okay, let's let everyone out. Come on over here. Shadow. Shadow. Come. Toys. They shook the treats out. Okay. I mean, that's one way to do it. There's more in there. Guys. Well, they're having fun, that's for sure. Teamwork. Poor Bluebell. She didn't get a chance. Definitely fun. They're gonna play tug of war with that a lot, I know.